mysterious rain cloud that's making everyone sad? This sounds like the perfect adventure to get the Powerpuff Girls back together. All it'll take is some Bubbles charm. Hello? What's up, girlfriend? Sorry, Bubbles, I can't talk right now. I'm trying to get this animal out of our room and back into the jungle where she belongs! I'm not an animal! Yeesh. Guess I'm on my own.
Bye-bye. I'll be here, wasting away.
Whoa. What is this place? Hello there. My name is Bubbles. What's yours?
My name's Largo, as in, go away, Largo. You're too sad.
Aw, why are you such a sad bear?
I wasn't always a sad bear. I used to be happy. That's me, just an ordinary cosmic bear.
It sure is a beautiful day.
Hi there.
Hey, Miss Cat.
What's up, dude?
Not a mucho, Artie.
Oh, you better get inside. There's a cosmic storm coming.
Just getting the mail, Dr. Lobster. Glenda, what you got for me? I love getting mail from friends.
That's when I got struck by cosmic lightning. We were separated into two different pairs. I'm Largo.
I'm Allegro!
We tried to get along, but we were just too different. He liked to party and have fun, but I was just sad.
That's it! I'm out of here! You're the saddest bear I've ever seen!
And we haven't spoken since.
Aw, that's awful. But don't worry. I'll turn that frown upside down all over town.
I don't think so.
Hello?
Bubbles, great news! Blossom is moving out! I need you to help me take her stuff to the dumpster.
What? Hold, please. Bubbles, Buttercup is trying to throw my stuff in the dumpster. But joke's on her! I already threw her stuff in the dumpster. Oh, no. Hold, please.
Hi, Bubbles. We gave a lot of thought to what you said about cheering up.
That's great.
So we all just voted to blow up the town. After we take a sad nap, of course.
No! Wait! Largo, you gotta get happy before Townsville blows up.
No can do. I haven't been happy since I split up with Allegro.
Oh, no! You're sad, Blossom and Buttercup hate each other's guts, and Townsville's gonna explode any minute! What do I do? I got it! Glug. Tea time! After all, you can't spell friendship without tea! Yes, you can! There's no tea in friendship!
Why do you have to correct people all the time?
Why do you have to be such a slob?
Why do you have to be such a dorcas?
Hey, let's change the subject. I want you to meet my new friend.
My name's Largo, as in, hey, Largo.
Don't care.
Fair enough. Huh?
Oh, our last guest has arrived!
Let's party!
I can't. Nuh-uh. I'm not gonna sit here with that sad sack. Click on one of the videos and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.